What's up everyone, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here it is, about to open it up. Okay, so here it is. This is the box for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And as you can see, it has the display of the phone on the front here. I got the space gray. And there's the back of it as well. It just has iPhone kind of ghosted in on the side here. And on the other side as well. Apple logo on the top. Let's open it up. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Nice, smooth, comes off. And there it is. You can already see that matted texture here on the back. I'm going to lift this off. There is no protective covering on the back, and I can understand why they're saying that this is a different type of material or feel on the back of the glass, because it's not as glossy or as slippery as the previous models. So this actually has like a matted feel to it, even though it still looks shiny. There is a matted feel to this. There's the front. Peel this off. We'll have a quick look. Standard in the box. You have your standard information and stickers. Also inside the box we have the new USB-C and Lightning connector here. This is the fast charge, and that just slips off here, so that it's really easy. It's a lot thicker and bigger than the last and previous charging connectors. We also have in the box the Lightning connector for the headphones, and here is the charger connector as well, with the USB-C and Lightning charge on. Okay, moving all that aside, let's have a look at the phone. Now, I'll just give you a quick look at this, and we can see that not much has really changed. The bottom's still very similar. It's got the band down here. Apple logo has moved to the center now, and it no longer writes iPhone on the bottom. We have the 3-lens camera in that squared off box. One thing I don't like about this is that the square box on the inside is not the same texture as the back. Even though this is one whole piece, it doesn't have the same texture, so I'm not a fan of them not doing that, but it still looks cool. Now, I'll just compare the previous two models. This was the iPhone 8 Plus. So in size, they're identical in size. The front, however, looks completely different, as it no longer has Touch ID down the bottom, and it no longer has these extra bezels at the top. Okay. Now I will remove the front protector here, and there we have it. So this is the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, so I will be shooting a lot more videos, and I will put up a full review on how the performance is of the phone over the coming few days to a week. and letting you know whether I think it is worth the 2,000 something dollars I paid for it in Australian dollars, that is. I know a lot of people complain that they say, oh, it's too expensive, it's $1,000 US. That converts to about $2,000 Australian. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max, about $2,000 phone. Is it going to hold up to the battery life that it says? Is it worth paying close to $2,500 for? Well, I will have my full review up within about a week's time, but please keep checking out the channel because I will post up daily on small updates. Thanks for watching.